Period hygiene and nutrition, a guide on how to take care of oneself during periods to stay happy and healthy. Remember, every month you bleed, you are all that you need. It will be the end of your despair if you rest well and take care. We are a nation of collectivistic ideals, and what matters the most to us are our family values, support, and societal validation. However, periods, no matter how normal they may be, need to be normalized. And here is where the role of family comes in. It is important for families to openly converse about the subject so that a girl or a woman feels comfortable enough to express her discomfort around periods. The role of women here is to share experiences and guide girls better about menstrual hygiene and health. And for men, it is to understand and support and love and care for them. Most girls and women keep the fact of their period under wraps. And because of the lack of an outlet of expression, most women have to go through the pain and agony all by themselves. Most girls are thus left with no or half-baked knowledge about hygiene, health, fitness, and the rest of the best practices around periods. Therefore, here are some tips from us to deal with this situation better. Tip number 1. Don't be shy and give it nicknames. It's not that time of the month or visit from the aunt flow or lady business or the red wedding or any other such nickname that you may have been taught to date. It's important to call it by its name and to stop the hushing around the subject and to talk about it more openly. Tip number 2. Know your period, listen to your body. It's normal to have muscle pain, feel bloated, or have poor digestion around periods. Staying hydrated is a great way to fix these. It is important to know what your body is trying to convey by the means of the color of your period blood. Tip number 3. It will work out if you work out. It is important to exercise well on all days and especially on the days of one's period. Basic cardio exercise or yoga can really help cope with the pain. In order to have a good flow and painless period, one should do yoga regularly. Some basic postures of yoga are Surya Namaskar. The first one is a Bhujangasana, which is the cobra pose, the Vajrasan, which is the diamond pose, and the Dhanurasana, which is the bow pose. These poses are known to improve blood circulation and the functionality of your reproductive organs. These are effective only when they are done on a regular basis. They help in reduction of pain during period and they also help with dealing with cramps. Tip number 4. Eat healthy, stay healthy. A lot of pain during periods is a consequence of bad lifestyle and eating habits. It is necessary to have a balanced diet around your period and to avoid spicy or salty food. These just increase the risk of clotting and lead to immensely painful cramps. Also try and consume more fruits like bananas. Tip number 5. Fix the cramps and rest well. Cramps or dysmenorrhea refer to the pain you undergo during or around menstruation. This pain usually occurs in the lower back, abdomen, and legs. Using a heating pad or hot water bottle usually eases the pain. It is important to rest well during huge bouts of such pain. Tip number 6. Use a sanitary napkin. Age-old habits of using cloth on newspapers or even sawdust can prove to be extremely unsanitary or unhealthy. Use comfortable pads that don't cause harm to you or to the environment. And that is why Sakhi is with you today and always.